Nice to meet you today, Shiho.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh, good to hear that. Okay. Can see here you chose Grammar Beginner 21. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so today's lesson is number 21, and the title is How Was the Exhibition? Okay, please read the title.
How was the exhibition?
Okay, also please check today's goal.
I'm done.
All right, now let's move on to today's phrase. Please repeat after me twice, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's start with the first phrase. How was the exhibition today?
How was the exhibition today?
Okay, one more time. How was the exhibition today?
How was the exhibition today?
All right, next is it was wonderful and inspiring too.
It was wonderful and inspiring today.
Okay,
Too.
one more time. It was wonderful and inspiring too.
It was wonderful and inspiring too.
Very good. Okay, so now let's check today's grammar point. All right, so let's check this together. We have past tense of the verb to be. Okay, so we have I or he or she or it. Okay, and then there, and then it's using was. Okay, like I was, he was, she was, it was, there was. Okay? So
Okay.
could you please read the example?
Example, I was in New York.
Mm-hmm.
He was a student.
Yes, so we use was for all this pronoun. Okay, and then we have you, we, they, there. So we use where. Okay? All right, please read the example.
You were in New York.
Mm-hmm.
They were students.
Okay, do you have any questions with this grammar point?
No,
All right, so everything is clear now. Let's move on to new words or expressions. Please check the directions here.
I'm done.
All right, let's start with the first word. Okay, let's listen to US pronunciation. Please listen and repeat. Here we go.
Exhibition.
Mhm. Okay, please repeat after the audio. Here we go.
Exhibition.
Exhibition.
Okay, exhibition, it's an event at which objects are put out in a public space for people to look at. Okay, please read the sample sentence.
How was the exhibition?
Okay, very good. Let's have the next. Here we go.
Artist.
Mhm.
Artist.
Artist, it's a person who creates art. Okay, please read the sentence.
He is a great artist.
Okay, next, please listen.
The last day.
Mhm.
The last day.
All right, when we say the last day, it means final day or the end. Okay, please read the sentence.
Today was the last day of the exhibition.
That's right. Let's move to the next.
Gallery.
Mhm.
Gallery.
Gallery is a room or building in which people look at paintings or sculptures. Please read the sentence.
There were many people at the gallery.
Very good. Okay, let's have the next.
Wealthy.
Mhm.
Wealthy.
Okay, it means having a lot of money and possessions. It also means rich. Okay, please read the sentence.
They are wealthy.
Wealthy, yes. And the last one.
Drawing.
Drawing.
All right, drawing. It's a picture or image. Okay, please read the last sentence.
They were trying to buy his drawings.
Okay, that's great. So, do you have any questions, Shiho?
No, so far.
All right, so now let's move on to short conversation. Please check the directions.
I'm done.
Okay, so we will do a role play here. We will also read the conversation together, but first let's listen to the audio first, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's dive in. Here we go.
Olivia was at the art exhibition this afternoon,
Mhm.
and now she's talking to her husband about it.
How was Brandon's exhibition today?
It was wonderful and inspiring too. Your brother is a great artist.
Today was the last day of the exhibition, right?
Yeah. It was raining this afternoon, but there were so many people at the gallery.
Was Brandon there?
Yes, he was, but he was talking to many guests. I think they were his clients.
Right. His clients are very wealthy. Maybe they were trying to buy his drawings.
All right, okay, Olivia, okay?
Okay.
Please start. Mhm.
How was Brandon's exhibition today?
It was wonderful and inspiring too. Your brother is a great artist.
Today was the last day of the exhibition, right?
Yeah, it was raining this afternoon, but there were so many people at the gallery.
Was Brandon there?
Yes, he was. But he was talking to many guests. I think they were his clients.
Right. His clients are very wealthy. Maybe they were trying to buy his drawings.
Okay, very good. That's great, Shiho. Okay, so do you have any questions with regards to the conversation?
Not so far.
All right, so let's continue to the next part. Now we are in question part. Please check the directions here.
I'm down.
Okay, so you're going to answer 3 questions about the story. So let's start with number 1. Whose exhibition was Olivia at?
Brandon
Mm-hmm.
exhibition.
Yeah, she was at Brandon's exhibition. Who is Brandon?
Brandon is Daniel's brother.
That's right. Okay. Next question is, what does Brandon do?
Brandon is an artist.
He's an artist. That's right. All right, and the third question. Were there a few people at the gallery?
No.
No, there were many people, right? Not few, but many people are at the gallery. Okay, very good. Now let's move to the exercise part. Please check the directions.
I'm done.
All right, so, so you're going to ask or answer questions. So let's do the exercise. Look at the picture. So this is an example first, okay? So the teacher would say, was she at the supermarket today? And the answer is, no, she
No,
wasn't.
she
Mhm.
wasn't.
Please read the answer. Yes, please read the answer.
No, she wasn't.
Mhm.
She was at the airport today.
That's right. Okay, so this time you are going to answer. Okay? The teacher would say, were they in Australia last year?
Oh, yes, they
Mhm.
were.
Okay. All right, so yes, they were in Australia last year. All right. So let's have the next picture. Were people fine at work today?
No,
Mm-hmm.
they weren't.
They weren't, okay.
They were. They were sick.
They were sick today. Okay, all right. Okay, so no, they weren't. They were sick, or they were sick today. All right, let's jump to the next picture. This time you will be the one asking. Okay, how will you ask with this picture? Mhm.
Mm, where were there
Mhm.
were there many interviewers today?
Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay, so the answer is yes, there were many interviewers today. Okay.